Hello everybody, welcome to this CodeChef My Long Challenge 1. In today's session, we will solve some problems regarding this challenge. So this is the first one whose title is Football Cup. And the statement is saying that it is the final day of La Liga. Chef has a certain criteria for assessing football matches. In particular, he only likes a match if these two conditions satisfy. The first one is the match ends in a draw, and the second is at least one goal has been scored by either team. And given the goals scored by both the teams X and Y, determine whether the chef will like the match or not. तो इस क्वेश्चन में बेसिकली हम लोग को डिसाइड करना है कि शेफ को ये मैच पसंद आया या नहीं आया. तो मैच पसंद आने का क्राइटेरिया है कि मैच एंड होना चाहिए ड्रॉ पे और कम से कम दोनों में से मिनिमम कोई एक टीम गोल स्कोर किया हो. सॉरी, मतलब दोनों टीम में से कम एक गोल तो स्कोर किया ही हो, मतलब किसी का स्कोर 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. तो फिर से एक बार समझा देते हैं कंडीशन. मैच एंड होना चाहिए ड्रॉ में और किसी भी टीम का गोल 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. गोल स्कोर 0 किसी भी टीम का नहीं होना चाहिए. सो द इनपुट फॉर्मेट इज T for test case and the following lines followed by two integers X and Y, which are the number of goals both team scored. And the output format is for each test case output yes if chef will like the match, otherwise will print no. And here are the constraints. The value of T lies from 1 to 100 and X and Y lies from 0 to 9, which is quite smaller. So this is a simple input 4 1 1. So in first case the score of team 1 is 1 and also team 2 is also 1, so both scores are same, so match will end in draw. So that's why chef like this match. In second case the score of first team is 0 and the second team is 1, so the first team score is 0, so the second one condition is not satisfied. This one which is saying that one of the team at least both team has minimum score of 1, but team 1 has scored 0, so this condition will not satisfy, so that chef don't like this match. In third one no team has scored any goal, so match will end in draw, but any of the team both team has scored 0, no one has scored at least 1, that's why chef don't like match. And the fourth one both end in a draw and both team had scored at least 1 goals, so chef like that match yes. So the criteria this is X should be equal to Y. X should be equals to Y and X not equal to 0 and Y should also be not equal to 0. These are the two conditions. If these all two conditions meet, and both by AND operation, if this is true and this is true, so all is true, that's why our answer will be yes, otherwise our answer will be no. If this one fails, our answer will be no. If yes, so hope you understand this. Let's move to the next question, which is here the explanation you can also read. These are the explanations for all 4 cases. Let's move to the next one, which is Miami GP. So the statement is quite large, so let's read it. The statement is saying that chef has finally got the chance of his lifetime to drive in the F1 tournament, but there is one problem. Chef did not know about the 107% rule, and now he is worried whether he will be allowed to the race in the main event or not. Given the fastest finish time as X second and chef finish time is Y second, determine whether chef will be allowed to race in the main event or not. Note that chef will only be allowed if the race if his finish time is within 107% of the fastest finish format. So first understand what is 107% rule. So in F1 formula, what is this? Microsoft whiteboard problem. So in F1 Formula car race, F1 tournament, what is X? X is the fastest finish time. So if X is the fastest finish time, which is, let's take 100 second. So if Y is 107 seconds, which is 107% not modulus, this is percent of X. If any, this is the fastest, what is this saying? This is the fastest finish time X. If any racer can finish the track in 107% of fastest finish time, then he will be eligible for the main event. You can also read that in Wikipedia page. So the fastest finish time is 100%. 107% of X is equal to 107 second, and the Y is 107 second. So he will be eligible for the main event. If Y is more than 107%, more than, he is not eligible for the event. This is saying that. So the input format is, first line consists of single integer t, number of test cases, and t line followed by two integers X and Y. X is fastest finish time and Y is finish time of safe, and we have to decide whether he will be eligible for the main event or not. If yes, then we will print yes, and second one no. The constraints are t test case 1 to 10 to the power 4 and xy ranges from 1 to 200, and this is a sample input. The first one is 1 and 2. Hope you understand this. 1 and 2. So X is 1 and Y is 2. So what is the 107% of X? Please take this all variable float as float to avoid any bug. So 107% of X is, this is not modulo, I am also repeating, this is not modulus, this is I am calculating percentage. 107% of X is 107 by 100 into 1, which is basically 1.07, but safe is finishing race in 2 seconds, so he will be eligible or not? Absolutely no. So let's conclude this. If Y is less than or equals to 107% of X, then yes, otherwise no. Hope you understand this. So the first one is no. You can also calculate these three one. Hope you understand this question. Let's move to the third one. The third question is sugarcane juice business, and the statement is saying that while Alice was drinking sugarcane juice, she started wondering about the following facts. The juicer sells each glass of sugarcane juice for 50 coins. His expenditure are as follows: 20% of total income for buying sugarcane, 20% in buying salt and leaves, and the 30% is going in rent. So we have to calculate the profit of the juice seller. So let's take an example. Look up at example n, which is number of glasses he sell per day. N, if he sell 2 glass one day and the price of each glass is 50 coins, let's say 50 rupees for each. So in one day total earning is 100 rupees. So what is the profit? Profit will be total minus expenditure. You can also say SP minus CP. So here total is 100 and expenditure is what? 20% of 100, which is 20 for buying sugarcane. Again 20% of 100 for buying salt and leaves, which is 20. Again 30% of 100 total income, 30% of 100 in shop rent. So this all plus becomes 70 minus 70, which is 30 rupees. So this will be our answer, rupees 30. So let's understand this. 20% going in sugarcane, 20% going in ingredients, 30% going in shop rent. Let's say sugarcane, ingredients, rent. So what percent of his income is going in expenditure, which is 70%. So what will be his profit? Quite simple, 30% of his total income will be his profit. So we have to find only n into 50, which is total profit, and 30%, which is 30 by 100. And this is our answer. This will be our answer. Let's solve this. Okay, this is saying also same. If we buy, the first case is if he sold, let's take last one, 10. So if he sold 10 glass in one day, so what money he will earn after selling all that? So this is the total into 30%, which is 30 by 100. 0 cancel. So 5 into 10, 50 into 30, which is 150. This is our answer. Yeah, hope you understand this. Let's move to the next one, which is the attack on queen. So the statement is saying that Chef has started developing interest in playing chess and was learning how the queen moves. Chef has an empty n into n chessboard. He places a queen at x and y and wonders what are the number of cells that are under attack by the queen. So first let's draw a board. This is not the original board. Original board is of 18 to 8, but let's understand with a smaller one. 3, 4. This is 5 into 5 chessboard. Oh, I made extra. Let's fix this. I am adding a one more row, so please don't confuse, because chessboard is a square and I made rectangle, so I am adding one more row. And let's number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is the 6 into 6 chessboard, n बराबर 6 and also number row. If I am placing queen at this place, this is 3 and 3, so x is 3 and y is also 3. So how many blocks are attacked by queen, and also you can say how many queen is threatening how many blocks. So in this line queen is threatening all the box, also in this line queen is threatening all the boxes, you can also say attacking, and in the diagonal ones, in this and in this line, all the boxes are attacked by queen. So let's count this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, diagonal boxes 9 and horizontal boxes 3 to 5 and 3 to 5, which is 10. So total of 19 boxes are attacked by the queen. So in this case our answer will be 19. Let's get back to our question. Chef has an empty n into n chessboard and he places the queen at x and y place, which means x coordinate x and y coordinate y, and he wonders what are the number of cells that are under attacked by the queen. Note that basically these all are saying that how the queen moves, and I told you that queen moves in, queen covers, if queen is at this place, queen covers all the horizontal lines and all the vertical lines and diagonal lines. This is how queen attacks. You can read this, I am skipping this. So input format is the first line contains a single integer t for test case and t lines followed by 3 integers n, x and y, n for total number of rows and columns, x for x coordinate of the queen and y for y coordinate of the queen as described in the problem statement. So the output format is we have to print total number of cells attacked which are under attacked by the queen. So here are the constraints t, you can also read that. Let's take the sample input. Hope you understand this. These all are the sample statements. So this is what this is the first is n, second x and third y. The first one is n, second one is x and third one is y. So in first example number of row is 1 and number of column is also 1. So the queen is at here. So how many boxes the queen is threatening? 0, because there is no box remaining. In third one number of rows and columns is 3. The chessboard is of 3 by 3 board. So place the queen at 2 into 2, 1 2 3 1 2 3. So 2 into 2, the queen is at this place. So queen is threatening boxes, let's, yeah, this one and this one, this one and this one. So all of the boxes are threatened by the queen, which means attacked by the queen. So count this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's say the answer, which is 8. Yeah. So let's, you can also check all these. Let's generalize the formula. To do this I am dividing no, let's draw this. To do this I am dividing it into 4 quadrants from where the queen is placed. The first one is, let's divide first 4 quadrants, and let's look up in all the quadrants. The first one is this, second one, this one, all the 4 quadrants, this and this area. This is the third one and the fourth one. I am erasing this, also this, and this is the last one. And I am writing here n is 6, x is 3, and y is also 3. You can test on any of the cells. So let's find how many diagonal cells are attacked by the queen. So in first quadrant, how many diagonal cells? 2 cells. How can I calculate that? To do this, what internet problem? Let's wait some time. Yeah. So change the color. Yeah. So how many diagonal cells are attacked by the queen? In first quadrant, 2 diagonal cells are attacked by the queen. So how can we find that? To find that, in quadrant 1, the x is 3 and y is also 3. So let's find the difference. In the first one, we'll find x, y it is visible mode. This is the third quadrant. So let's calculate x minus 1 and y minus 1, and we will take minimum of this, minimum value of this. If both are equal, we will take any one. So what is x? The x is 3, so 3 minus 1. Different, basically I am calculating the difference between this and this. So both are 2. So we will take any one, and in fourth quadrant I am calculating this one difference and this one. So this, the difference between x to 6 is n minus x, and this difference is y minus 1, which is n minus x is, n is 6 minus 3, which is 3. You can also check 1, 2, 3, and y minus 1 is 2. So this is the minimum one. Let's take 2. In second quadrant, we will find this difference and this one. So this is n minus x and n minus y. So n minus x is 3 and n minus y is also 3. So 3, and in first quadrant, this difference is x minus 1, and this difference is n minus y. So x minus 1 is 2 and n minus y is 3. So the minimum one is 2. You can also see that the minimum difference is attacked by the queen, 2, 3. Here I also calculated 3, 2. The minimum one is 2. So total number of, let's say small this, or so total number of diagonals attacked is minimum of all the quadrants. So minimum of all quadrants, which is 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 2 to 4, 3, 7 to 9. 9, you can also calculate these boxes, and the horizontal one is horizontal row attacked by the queen is n minus 1 into 2, because this all line and this all line minus this one, because queen at the cell queen is placed. So we are calculating this and this minus 2 times the queen is placed at that cell. So you can also find n minus 1 into 2 or n into 2 minus 1, any of the one, and add both of them, diagonals plus horizontal, this will be your answer. So if you find that the n value of n is 6, so n minus 1 into 2 or n into 2 minus 1, which is 6 into 2, sorry, this is not 1, this is 2. Yeah, let's say n minus 1 into 2 or n into 2 minus 1, which is 6 into 2, 12 minus 2, which is 10. Horizontal row attacked by the queen is 10, and the vertical row attacked by the queen, sorry, diagonal row attacked by the queen is 9. So total row attacked by the queen is 19. This is your answer. Yeah, this was quite tricky question, and this was basically observance based question, and I hope you understand this. Implement this all in your code as you want, in which language you are familiar. So thank you, hope you understand this video. If you like this content, please leave a like, and if you don't subscribe to this channel, please subscribe it to get updated to the further videos. And if you have any doubt regarding these all 4 problems, let me know in the comment section. Drop a comment. So thank you for today. Let's move next time.